All right, Rob Fraser here. Been a while since I've done a couple of videos. Been having some laptop issues. Started going back to school, and I also just recently changed from using a PC to a Mac. So yeah, lots of changes, and I got like two monitors here on my desktop. So if you see my video in the lower right-hand corner, instead of looking at the camera, I'm looking at the big screen. But anyways, getting back into pumping out videos. It's just going to be a short one today. How to use leadsleap to get signups in any business. How to use leadsleap to get signups in any business. Affiliate marketing, network marketing, selling ClickBank, Warrior Plus products, building a list, doing affiliate marketing, whatever it is. Leadsleap will help you, and this video will help you. And it's very simple. A very simple process. I've been using this system off and on for the past couple of years now. The guy who created it his name is Ahmed Ali. He's in India. However, his funnel works. But I will say, English isn't his first language, and so he pronounces a few words a little differently, and also some of his spelling may be a little off, but don't let that deter you. His methods and what he teaches works. He's not a big time flashy marketer guy, but his systems work. I've gotten I don't know how many signups. I've gotten a lot of leads using his systems and methods. So this video, not necessarily about him, but he created this system. It's all free to join. It consists of leadsleap and one of his Warrior Plus traffic programs. Again, both free to join, and it's called Viral Lightning. And I'll get to that in a second. But how to use it to get signups in your business? It's very simple. Now I'll show you. So for here, you're looking at the first page of the sales funnel, and also keep in mind this is my first time recording a video on my MacBook, so it might take me a little bit to get to different places. But this right here is a bridge page. When people opt into the system, it's called 3-hour cash. The whole slant is basically, it's not playing my business is better than your business game. It is, you're simply talking traffic. And then as you advertise this traffic method on the different traffic sources that we are going to reveal, you're going to build your email list, and to that email list, you can promote your business. And that's how you basically get signups. So this right here is the bridge page. This right here is the steps page. The steps page consists of 3 steps. First step, join Viral Lightning. Again, you join everything for free. Viral Lightning is a little email program that will teach you how to put together decent email ads. Very simple, very straightforward program. It's going to help your leadsleap traffic plan. The second program is leadsleap, and the third step is whatever programs you are in, whatever you want to add to the sales funnel. Again, the whole idea is to build your email list, not necessarily talking about your business. To build your email list, you're going to talk about how to get traffic. As you talk about how to get traffic, you're going to attract other people who are in network affiliate marketing, selling Warrior Plus, different things like that. Odds are they're not making any money because they don't know how to get a lot of traffic. You're going to present to them a way to get traffic using leadsleap, how to use leadsleap to get signups in your business. That's my whole video here, but this is how it works. So that's how it works. So again, underneath this video is going to be a link to my replicated 3-hour cash system. The whole idea, it's based around getting traffic from leadsleap, having a sales funnel created in leadsleap, and that's one thing I did forget to mention. leadsleap has capture pages, sales pages, and a very decent autoresponder that actually works, and it's comparable to Aweber and GetResponse. So if you don't want an extra charge, use the leadsleap autoresponder. You use the plan to get traffic to your own 3-hour cash system, and then as people come through and join you in leadsleap and in Viral Lightning, and they will, the numbers have proven it, you'll have your primary business down here on step 3. 1 business, 2 business, whatever it is you want to put down here in these 2 links. you will get traffic for, and you will get signups using this same plan, because you're teaching people how to get traffic, not necessarily how to, make money, which is, there's a little difference there. Also, I will say, this platform again is all free. Join it, get your leadsleap account. You could get traffic on leadsleap, and you can send that leadsleap traffic to this sales funnel. You max out that leadsleap traffic, then we'll show you how to get traffic in other sources. And in fact, I'm putting together a 10 days to 10,000 clicks per day plan. And this right here is the very first step, very first piece. You get this in place, and then it's basically just a matter of joining traffic programs as you can afford to, as you have time to participate in them, and just sending traffic to your system. The more traffic you send to your system, the more leads you get. The more leads you get, the more people who will potentially join your business. So, that being said, name's Rob Frazier here, wrapping this video up. Link will be in the description below. Happy to be back on YouTube. Matter of fact, I got 2 MacBooks. I'm downloading some software on the other one. And looking forward to getting back into cranking out that YouTube content and helping folks make money in affiliate marketing. I've gone through a lot of dark times in my life because, not making money, feeling, like a piece of crap because I was broke, working jobs, working 18 or 9, maybe, I don't know about 18 hours a day, but for Canteen San Diego, I would have to be at the office at 4:30 a.m. and I wouldn't be done stuffing vending machines until 6:30 p.m. So doing that 5 days a week, having hardly any time for myself, my confidence being crappy. I've been through it all. And so I want to help people make money online with this affiliate marketing stuff. And so if that message resonates with you, opt in below, join me, let's connect, let's talk. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.